Hey, this is India with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. So let's go ahead and talk about how to wash your hair when you are wearing a crochet braid style. Just remember that just because your hair is under layers of other hair, wigs, anything like that, does not mean that your hair does not need to be taken care of. It doesn't need to be moisturized, all those things. It actually does still need to be washed, still need to be cared for. Remember, your scalp as well as your hair that grows out of your head needs to be maintained, even though your hair is tucked away under a wig or weave or something of that nature. All right, so let's talk about crochet braids. So there is a way to wash crochet braids as well as care for your hair and your scalp while you have this type of style going on. So first off is going to be, you want to make sure that you're using some sort of treatment that is going to wash your scalp, remove that dirt, remove that product buildup, remove those dead skin cells. So one of the products that I used was specifically a scalp wash, specifically formulated for braids, crochet braids, styles of that nature. So you can find something like that on the market, or you can use something that you create at home if you want to come up with your own formulation. But you just want to make sure you are maintaining that scalp health. So what I first did was I put that braid wash on the scalp, which is actually a scalp wash, and then I massaged that into each of my different parts that I had. So I would just go part by part and put the scalp wash on, just agitate my hair like this, my scalp like this, and also I rubbed it against it. So I just agitated it to make sure that it was doing its action, working its way into my scalp. So I did that before I got into the shower. Next, I did mix a mixture of my shampoo. So I used my regular everyday shampoo that I normally would use on my hair if I didn't have my crochet braids in, and I mixed it with water. So I would say try no more than half and half, or you can do a little bit less shampoo and then more. So maybe like 3/4 water and a fourth shampoo. So you can do something like that of that mixture, but you want to make sure that you are diluting your normal shampoo so that it's very watery, it's very loose, it's very fluid. The reason for that is because the thickness of the shampoo is more likely to get caught up in your braids and in your hair and in your scalp if it's not watered down first, because remember, it has multiple layers to go through. So remember, I already did a scalp wash because I did that before I got into the shower. So we already have something that is cleaning my scalp. Next, we want to just make sure that we're cleaning the braids. So all I did was I focused on, after I made my shampoo mixture, I just put it into like a squeeze bottle and I squeezed it onto the bottom portion of my hair and just work my hands through my hair to allow it to set up a little bit, and then I rinse that out. And you want to make sure that you're parting your hair in different ways to make sure you're rinsing it out. Because I already did a scalp wash, it was not necessary for me to take that watered down shampoo and put it on my scalp as well. So all I did was use that to focus on the braids itself to cleanse them and clean them. And like I said, you want to make sure you're watering it down because you don't want the thickness of the shampoo to get stuck in parts of your hair and you can't wash it out. Remember, you have multiple layers you're going through. So after I did that, then I got out the shower, dried my hair a little bit with the towel, and then I put on a little bit of conditioner. I usually will use a leave-in conditioner, especially when I'm talking about adding it to extra layers of hair. So I put in a leave-in conditioner, detangled my braids, and then I sat under a heated dryer and I parted my hair in different ways. It does take a while for your hair to dry because most importantly, you want to make sure the hair under your other hair, so the hair under the crochet braid hair is dry. So I parted it in multiple different ways just to make sure that the hot air was getting to all the way to my scalp and penetrating it and drying my hair from root all the way out to the tips. So you want to make sure that your hair is adequately dried. So that is a quick way to make sure that you are washing your hair. I also am launching a hair care product. Make sure you check out the description link down below. So if you're a person who wears wigs, you wear protective styles, and you want something on your head that's not a bonnet or anything like that, that still will cover and protect your hair, I will have bamboo hair protection caps that I will be launching soon. They were made out of bamboo fabric. So make sure you check out that description box and drop your email so that way I can reach out to you and let you know when the product launches. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you throw those questions down below. Bye.